Coaching thought for the day. Today it's coming to you from my couch where I am taking a personal day in pajamas. We have been talking lately, I've been sharing lately about books that I've been reading and recommendations that I have. And so, one thing that I thought would be helpful to share is oftentimes when I read a book that's really great and I want to remember things, or when I go to a conference and I want to hang on to things, I make myself a little, what I'll call anchor chart so that I can remember my big ideas because it's great to read professional reading books. That's fantastic. It's even better to apply what you're learning. However, if you can create something so that you can hold on to it for later, for when you need it again, that is going to be even better because sometimes I'll work with a teacher on something in the fall of one semester and use a resource, and I might not use it again for 2 or 3 more semesters until a different teacher asks for it. So here's an example of something that I have created for the book Drive by Daniel Pink. His book is all about motivation theory. He says that for people to really be motivated, the things that matter in non-creative tasks are that they have autonomy, they feel a sense of mastery, and a sense of purpose. So I just found a graphic online for those things. I listed what autonomy means, what purpose means, what mastery and competence means, and listed down here some of his other notes on things that do not motivate people. So I keep this visible. I actually hang my little anchor charts on a spot on the wall in my office that I've shown before. And in those places, I can just look at them and be reminded of these important features. I would love to hear, as would my dog Pepper, would love to hear from you on if this is something that you already do. How do you keep track of books that you have read, or important information that you've gotten from conferences or any of those sorts of things? So leave in the comments because I would love to know.